Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. So you have to find out how much students in the class, so that number of students is equal to the number of amount they have given as a donation. So we don't know how much students are there in the class. So let the number of students be let the number of students in the class be yes. So whatever we have to find. Nagapriyan, please mute. Let the number of students in the class be x. So if the number of students is x, then the amount donated. Please mute. Who is that? So if the number of students is x, then rupees donated by each is also what? X. Because both are same. For example, if suppose, hey, who is that? Meena Kumar. Rupees donated by each student is equal to rupees x. Children, if there are 40 students, then each student will give 40 rupees. Okay. If there are 30 students, then each student will give 30 rupees. Because they have given, each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Suppose if there is 10 students, then each student will give 10 rupees. Then 10 tens are how much? 100, like that. Okay. Is it okay? So
Yes,
let the
ma'am.
number of students
Okay, ma'am.
and number of rupees donated by each student is x. That means we have to multiply this and
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Number of students into amount. So x into x into x is nothing but x square. So rupees donated by students. Rupees donated by x students is equal to rupees donated by x students is equal to x into x, which is rupees x square. Okay, they have given the total amount also. How much amount the students of class 8 donated to the school? 2,401, which means this x square is equal to how much? According to the question ATQ, according to the question, x square is equal to 2,401. That much total amount class 8 student have donated for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. So now we have to find out what is that x. So x gives number of students in the class. Similarly, the amount donated by each student. Both are same only. So if x square is 2,401, then what is x? To find out x, take square root on both sides. When you take square root for this left hand side, this square root and the square will get cancelled. Here you will be getting x. Here for this 2,401, we have to find out the square root. So either by prime factorization or by repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is somewhat difficult because this is a bigger number. So let us find out the square root of 2,401 by prime factorization. Shall we do? Okay, now let us find out
Yes,
the
ma'am.
prime factorization of 2,401. How we got x square? How we got x square? Because number of students in the class is x. Therefore, the rupees donated by each student is also what? X, because they have given in the question.
Yes.
So total, so rupees donated is x into x, x square. That's why we got x square in the problem. Now, we got here 1. So check whether 3 is possible. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 won't come in third
Ma'am,
table.
7.
So let us divide by 7th table. Now 7th table, 2 is not possible. So take 24. 7 threes are 21. So 21 means 24 minus 21 is 3. Now 30. 30 won't come. Lesser than 30, 28 will come. 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 28 is 2. Now this becomes 21. 21
343.
3 times. Let me repeat once again clearly. 2,
Minimum 43.
401. Take 24. 24, 7 threes are 21. So 24 minus 21 is 3. Now this becomes 30. 30 won't come. 28, 7 fours are 28. So 30 minus 28 is 2. Now this number becomes 21. 21 how many times? 3 times. Now again let us divide by 7. 34. 7 fours are 28. You should know the tables. 7
49.
fours are 28. Then balance how much? Whether this is
49.
possible? How much times? Balance how much? 6. 63 how much times? 9 times. Now again
9
seventh
times.
table.
4 7.
So what is square root of 2401 is 47. So instead of 2 sevens, let us take 1 7 here. Instead of these 2 sevens, 1 7. And instead of these 2 sevens, 1 7.
49.
So what is the answer? 49. What is the total
49.
number of students in the class? What is the total number
49.
of students in the class? 49.
49.
How much each student donated?
49.
Donated 49 rupees. Number of students 49. Each student donated 49 rupees. So total amount collected is 2401. If you want, you can check. 49 into 49 will be 2401. Is it okay, children? Any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
Final answer?
No doubt, ma'am.
Answer. For final answer. No doubt. If you are not writing this, then they will reduce half. Number of students in the class is equal to 49. This is very important. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What? No, ma'am. For what? No, ma'am. Ganesh Bhushan. Any doubt? No doubt.
Ma'am.
Can you keep quiet? Do not mark with that. Yes, Roshan, you got the answer. Now, coming to the next question, same way, this question is also same manner. 2025 plants ought to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. So, So 2025 plants. So number of rows. What they have given in the question, you should read the question properly, children. Number of rows and number of plants in each row both are same because each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. So question number 8. Let the number of rows be x, which implies number of, if there are 4 rows, then how many plants in each row? 4 plants. Okay. For example, I'm saying. So number of plants in each row is also equal to x. Okay. Here rows,
Yes.
number of rows and number of plants in each row both are same. So what is the total number of plants? Number of plants.
Ma'am,
Number
x
of plants.
square. Ma'am, x into x. X square.
Number of plants in x rows is nothing but this and this you have to multiply.
X
X into x is equal to x square.
x
X
square.
into x is equal to x square. How many plants there
X
is
square.
in a garden? What is the total number of plants in a garden? 2020.
2025.
Who is that?
2020.
So, according to the question, ATQ means according to the question, x square is equal to 2025. Okay. So now take square root on both sides. Here this root and square will get cancelled. X is equal to Okay, square root of 2025. Let us divide this 5. If we get
3.
place, we can divide by 5 or 3. Okay, any number. If you want, you can divide by 2. Let me divide by 5. Take 20.
Ma'am,
20 how
3.
much times? 4 times.
45.
5 fours are 20. Now, no, not 45. You have to be very careful. 2 is lesser than 5. So when you want to take two digits together, include 0. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
divided by 2
405.
digits.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you always do mistake. That's why I'm telling you again and again. If you are taking two digits together in the middle, you should include 1 0. Now 25 how many times? 5 times. Now again check the table. 4 won't come, so take 40. In big itself, if you are taking two digits together, no need to write 0 because no number starts with 0.
81, ma'am.
Now, yes, 8
Yes, ma'am.
and here
81.
1. Now, don't divide by 9 because 9 is not a prime number. I'm telling you again and again, you should divide only with the
Okay,
prime
ma'am.
number. That's why it is called as prime factorization. Now, 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now, this number becomes
Yes,
21.
ma'am.
21 is 7 times. Then again 3, 9. Then 3, 3. You will be getting 1, 3. And
9.
then you will be getting 1. So, here instead of 2 5s, 1 5. Instead of 2 3s, 1 3. Here instead of 2 3s, 1 3. So answer will be 5 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So what is the x? Yeah, x is equal to square root of 2025 is nothing but
45.
5
45,
into
ma'am.
3 into, sorry, x is equal to square root of 2025, which is nothing but 3 into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 45. Then number of rows. How much rows?
45.
45. Number of plants in each row. How much? That also 45. In one
45.
row, how many plants? In one row, how many plants? 45. Because both
45.
are equal.
45.
Because we have assumed both as x. So, number of rows is
So
45. Number
45
of
into
plants
45.
is 45. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to next one? 9 and 10.
Okay,
Nice
ma'am.
one.
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
this next exam is
Okay,
very
ma'am.
important competitive exam question. Somebody is joining. Who's that? Find the smallest square number. Okay, who is joining? Or somebody is sending the message. Okay. Find the smallest square that is divisible by each of the number. Actually, children, what is LCM abbreviation? Least. Least common multiple. Least means smallest. Am I correct? Least.
Yes, ma'am.
Smallest. Okay. So if you got the word smallest, then automatically you have to find out the LCM of the given numbers 4, 9, and 10. So if you find the LCM, that number you have to check whether it is a square number or not. If it is not a square number, then what will you do? What is the procedure? Then you will be multiplying by a number which does not have a pair, so that you will be getting the required smallest number that is divisible by each of the numbers. What are all the numbers? 4, 9, and 10. Actually, you have to find out one number. Okay, that number should be divisible by all these three numbers. 4, it should be divisible by 4, it should be divisible by 9, and it should be divisible by 10. Okay, is it okay? So now we are going to find out that by
Okay,
using
ma'am.
LCM, since they are asking smallest square number. LCM means least. So ninth sum, let us find out LCM of all the three given numbers 4, 9, and 10. So first let us divide by 2. So in second table, this 2 2s are 4. And 9 won't come in second table, so write 9 as it is. This and all you have learned in your primary class, I think so. Then second table, 10 how many times? 5 times. Now again I am going to divide by 2. So second table 2, 1 times 9 won't come, so write as it is. 5 also won't come, so you write as it is. Then let us divide by 5. 1, 9 won't come, so write 9 as it is this one time. Then 9, let us divide by 3. 1, 3, 3s are 9.
3.
Then 1.
1.
1.
In 3 table, 3
Again
1,
3.
So we got,
1, 1, 1.
yeah. So now what is LCM? 2 into 2
into
into
2, 5 into 3 into 3.
okay. First 3 3s are
3 3s are
3
9.
3s are 9 2s are
9, ma'am.
9 2s are 9 2s are 18.
18.
Now 5
18,
18,
ma'am.
ma'am.
okay, 5 2s are 10. 18 into 10 very easy.
5 to 10.
180. 18
108.
nothing but
108.
108.
18.
180. Okay.
80.
So this
Yes, ma'am.
180
180.
180 will be divisible by 4, 9, and 10. Okay, LCM we got. Now we should find out the perfect square. Required smallest square number. They are asking square number. So you have to check this 180 is a square number or not. So let us find out the prime
Oh, ma'am.
factorization. If you find the prime factorization, this two have a pair and this two have a pair. Which number does not have a pair?
5.
5 does not have a yeah. So we have to multiply by what? 5.
180.
So
5.
180 multiply with
5 alone does not have a pair. So can you hear me? Children, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect square. So we should multiply by 5. Required
900, ma'am.
number is 5.
900.
Required smallest number is 5. So 180 into 5.
900.
900 is a perfect square number. What is square root of 30? That is
Even
30.
number of 0
So
is a
the
perfect square, ma'am.
required smallest square number is equal to 900. Okay, 900. Before the by 9 and by 10, and this is the smallest square number for all these three numbers. Okay, it is divisible. You check it is divisible by 4. 4 all are divisible of 9, 10. By all these three numbers, it will be divisible, and it is also a square number, children. So in this way, you have to find out the smallest square number divisible by each of the given numbers. Is it okay? Now can you say 10 to
Yes,
some
ma'am.
same manner?
Okay, ma'am.
Same manner 10
Okay,
to
ma'am.
some. Any doubt?
Okay,
Same
ma'am.
manner 10 to some shall we do? Same method.
Ma'am, shall I tell you some?
Who is that shall I?
Ma'am, Ramapriya.
Somebody else, those who have not given the answer last class. Let them give the answer for 10 to some. Who is ready? Who is ready? I'll help you. You don't worry. Even if you're wrong, don't worry. You just come forward to give the answer. Who is ready? You just give a try.
ma'am, shall I?
Joshua
Ma'am,
not
I.
allowed.
Ma'am,
No,
shall I,
last
ma'am?
class you all have answered. Ragapriya and
Ma'am,
Sarvati.
shall I? Ma'am, ma'am, I.
I need either Joe Maxwell or Akash or Deepshika Sahu or Gokul Nath, Hemachandran, Shaktivel, Keshavardhini, uh, Vishal, Roshan, Kashi Vishwanathan, From these students, anybody can answer. Vignesh Karthik, Yashwant, Kritika Devi. From these people, anybody can answer. Already Ragaprem division, they all have answered. Keshavardhani ready, Amma? Keshavardhani. Ready? Yeah. Again, same question. Find the smallest square number, smallest least square number that is divisible by each of the numbers. Last question of this exercise, very important exercise we are going to complete, children. Successfully we are going to complete. So let us find out the LCM of the given numbers. 8, 15, 20. Ready, Ma? Keshavardhani. By which number you are going to divide?
Ma'am.
Which number?
Two table.
Okay. 2.
8 4 times.
Yeah.
15 as it is.
Mm.
And 20 10 times.
Yeah. Quickly you should give the answer. Then again.
Again 2 table, ma'am.
4.
4 2 times. 15 as it is. 10 5 times.
Good.
Again 2 table. 2 1 time. 15 as it is. 5 as it is. 5 table. 1 as it is. 15 3 table. And 15 times and 5 1 time. In 3 table. 1 1 and 1.
So what is the LCM now? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are
LCM equals to
no. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 5 2s are 10. 120 into 10. See, you divide like this. You multiply like this. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Here 2 1 5 10 na. So 12 into 10 how much? 120. LCM is how much? 120.
120.
Or you can come in the order also. Now, which numbers are not having a perfect square?
And 2 5 3.
Yeah, all these three numbers does not have a pair. So we have to multiply by these three numbers. So the required numbers are, what are the required numbers? Required numbers are 2 into 5 into 3. So we have to multiply by what? 30. 30, isn't it? That is 30 is the required number. So 120 into 30. What is 120 into 30, children? Required.
Ma'am, 3600.
Required smallest number. Smallest
3600.
3600.
8,600.
Is 120 into 30. 12 threes are 36. Here 1 0, here 1 0. So 2 zeros. So the required smallest square number is nothing but 3600. Is it okay? 3600. Any doubt in this?
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Those who have doubt can clarify it now because it is a very important
No doubt,
exercise.
ma'am.
So tomorrow do we have two
Yes, ma'am. Having 2 periods, ma'am.
division? Stop recording.
Yes, ma'am. Having 2 periods, ma'am.
Stop recording. Pa.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, having 2 periods, ma'am.
Okay, division. Stop recording.